In today's video, I'll share with you the 3 key ingredients to creating the family sponge of your own Victoria sponge. For the best advice on how to build your business with your family, subscribe to my channel to be notified of a new video every Tuesday. If you'd like to be part of a supportive community, come join our Facebook community, where we do a deep dive on each week's video. You get early access to that video and you have a chance to have your questions answered by myself or those in the community. By liking and sharing this video, we give those in our communities who may be thinking about this topic an opportunity to engage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. How many of you would like your family to either be more involved in your business or understand more about what you and your business actually do and provide? And the way to start this in conversation with your family is to create your family sponge, the first part of building and baking your own Victoria sponge. What I'm about to share with you is how I work with my clients and how you can engage your family to build the family sponge of your own Victoria sponge. So how many of you have felt the pain and frustration of being misunderstood by your families when it comes to connecting your family and business together? And what would it be like if you could communicate and share with your family and have your family engaged in what you are looking to build? By identifying these 3 key ingredients, you can engage with your family to build the business that you both aspire and desire. So the first ingredient in your family sponge of your own Victoria sponge is what makes us unique, and what do we believe, and who are we? So by understanding who we are first and foremost as a family, we add the special unique flavour and the special unique essence to creating our own family sponge. The second ingredient in creating your own family sponge is what's our main goal? What are our dreams? What are our aspirations? What is it that we want to achieve? Because by combining that with the first ingredient of who we are and what makes us unique, we start to shape what the family sponge is actually going to look like. And the third ingredient for making our own family sponge is how are we going to do this? Each family is typically unique in the way they make decisions and the way they operate together and how they come together through their roles and responsibilities to enable the family goals to be achieved. So by bringing the family goals, who we are in terms of being unique, and how we go about achieving those goals and objectives and dreams and aspirations, we create through 3 key special ingredients unique to us as a family, our own family sponge. So my extra tip here is it's about teamwork. In isolation, we are able as individuals to come up with what we believe is important to us as a family and what makes us unique and how we operate. But the most engaging way, like any form of cooking, is to engage our families and talk to them and have their input to actually create a more unique and even richer family sponge. Please see in the comments below a PDF designed to help you create your own Victoria sponge. If you enjoyed this video, please see my other videos on creating your own Victoria sponge and creating your own family plan. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.